Welcome to the channel. I got the call Tesla 3 model, I think. Non-starting, can't open the door. He suspect battery dead, but however, until go there, I don't know what's going on and what happened. We'll see what's going on. I got my jump starter pack and let's go to the job. Once I go there, I'll come back to you. Customer helped me a lot. Found the positive and negative, don't mix up. Need to give the power here, then after that we ready to open the bonnet. Yeah, okay, right, it's open. Yeah, try to start please.
Can you start it now?
Yeah, start it. Yeah, go.
You said you might have to wait just wait for the thing to come on.
Yeah, is it come on?
No, it's not come on yet. Sometimes they say you have to wait. Is it? I think it's because it's been cold in the mornings. I think
Could be that battery not enough. However, you start the car first. I'll have a look the battery.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you test it.
Yeah.
So I think right. So if you put it there.
Put the key there.
Put the key there.
Under the there. Yeah.
Yeah, because I usually use the mobile. So you
Yeah.
put that in there, didn't you?
They identify the things. No.
Shall I presume my card.
Yes.
There you go. Here we go.
Came. Yeah.
Yeah, it said wait a little bit. So it's just booting up. It was completely
Might
dead.
be it's take the battery fully dead. It's take a juice from the jump lead, I think.
So what? So that's not the. There's a massive battery underneath the car, isn't there?
We are not talking about the 12 volts battery.
That's just a 12-volt one.
That's a 12 volt one.
What's that for then?
For the starting.
Just for the starting.
Yeah, see, it came now. Yeah, all
Alright.
light up.
Okay.
Is it start now?
Well, obviously, I put it into drive. I can put it into drive, yeah, but then it's going to go forward.
Try to do it. Yes, it started. Yeah.
Yeah.
What
Yes.
is saying? Close the door. Yeah. Close the door. Right.
No, it's the front.
Sorry.
What's that? Ignore and continue to drive the front.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay.
What? Shall I pull forward then?
No, I'm going to remove the leads now.
Well, will it work all right though?
I think so.
It's
Now
on
it's
normal
starting.
wires.
It's starting now.
Yeah, but I'll be able to go and get you charged.
I don't know. We'll see first.
All right.
What's
Shall I
going
stop
on?
it?
Yeah.
Shall I park it?
Yeah. It's parking now. Yeah.
It's on park now.
Yeah. But leave it. Is it running the car? Yeah.
Well, it doesn't turn over, does it?
It's turned over now. Should be.
No, it's moving it forward.
Right. Now what are you going to do? I'm going to disconnect the battery, switch off, and negative out first. Hold it for me, please. And positive out. Take out the jump starter. Don't hold together. Yeah, it's okay. Leave it somewhere here. What we done? We remove this one. Fly out from here. Take a positive to this one, then negative to this one. Active the jump pack. After that, this hood open. After that, we need to disconnect this cover. Remove the cover. Then after that, you can find the positive. This is the negative one. That's a positive. Now should be it's okay. Before the cover, sorry, I forget to need to take out this one. However, I'm going to install again.
It just clicks in like that.
Just clip in and
push down.
push in. Yes. Okay. And I'm not going to install anything at the moment. I'm going to take it backward and forward and have a look. How is the car behavior? No, leave it for a minute, please. Okay, shut the bonnet. Okay, come forward.
Let's go forward.
Yeah, try forward. Yes, it's drive as should be. Right, okay, leave it like that, and I'm going to check with the multimeter how is the battery charging. Would you mind put the parking, go backward, please? Vehicle in a parking mood, not switch off, just park. And open the bonnet for me. Yeah. Right, okay. just straight away and close it.
And then that one,
Make sure it won't touch anything.
well, this is plastic.
Yeah.
It's right in there.
Yeah.
That's it. And then that goes like
In
that.
first, yeah.
Yeah, like that. I think.
Right. Done. You can shut.
Yeah, that wasn't too difficult, was it?
That's it. Done. Thank you. Thank you.